Hey guys, in today's video, we're diving into the world of electric hand planers to help you find the perfect one for your woodworking needs. We've handpicked the top 5 options on the market right now, ranging from budget-friendly to premium quality. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, there's something here for everyone. You'll find product links in the description below, so let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the WEN 6528 3.8 amp electric hand planer. This is the most budget-friendly option, priced at just $31.99, making it ideal for those who need a planer for light-duty tasks without breaking the bank. Despite its affordability, it packs a 3.8 amp motor capable of delivering up to 32,000 cuts per minute, ensuring smooth and consistent results on your projects. Design-wise, the WEN 6528 is lightweight at just 4.3 pounds, making it easy to maneuver for extended periods of use. It's equipped with a handy kickstand to prevent accidental damage to your workpiece and features onboard storage for the blade adjustment wrench. However, its cutting depth adjustment stops at 1/16 of an inch, which is less versatile compared to higher-ranked models. In terms of performance, this planer shines for small, straightforward jobs like edge smoothing or trimming lightweight wood. While it may struggle with harder woods or larger projects, it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and occasional users. The main drawbacks are its limited cutting width of 2/3 inches and less robust build compared to pricier models. Overall, if you're looking for an entry-level planer at a rock-bottom price, the WEN 6528 is worth considering. At number 4, we have the WEN 6530 6-amp electric hand planer. For $52, this mid-tier option offers a solid balance of features and affordability. Powered by a 6-amp motor, the planer achieves a remarkable 34,000 cuts per minute, making it a step up in performance from the WEN 6528. Its cutting width of 3¼ inches and depth adjustment up to 1/8 inch provide greater versatility for various woodworking tasks. The design is lightweight at 6.5 pounds, making it comfortable to use for extended durations. It comes with thoughtful additions like a dust bag, kickstand, and a parallel fence bracket for precise cuts. The 1-inch rabbet capability adds functionality for more complex projects, which is a rare feature at this price point. However, the build quality, while decent, doesn't match premium models in terms of durability. In terms of user experience, the WEN 6530 is a great fit for hobbyists or semi-regular woodworkers. It offers good power and reliability for tasks like smoothing boards, creating rabbets, and chamfering edges. Its drawbacks are mainly related to noise levels and occasional vibration during use. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly tool with improved performance and versatility, the WEN 6530 is a strong contender. Coming in at number 3 is the WEN 6534 8-amp electric hand planer. At $56.44, this model stands out for its powerful 8-amp motor, delivering a whopping 32,000 cuts per minute, with a larger cutting width of 4�3 inches. This makes it ideal for heavier-duty tasks, such as planing larger boards like 2x4s and 4x4s. It also features 16 positive depth stops, adjustable from 0 to 1/8 inch, giving you precision and control over your cuts. The design is robust, with a cast iron base for added stability. It weighs 9.5 pounds, which might feel heavier during prolonged use, but contributes to the tool's durability and solid performance on harder woods. The 2-way dust port is a great addition, allowing you to direct shavings away from your workspace. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including reversible HSS blades, a parallel fence bracket, and a rabbeting guide. Performance-wise, the WEN 6534 is well-suited for woodworkers who need a reliable tool for larger or more demanding projects. Its spacious cutting width and powerful motor make it a standout in its price range. However, its heavier weight and slightly higher price compared to other WEN models might deter casual users. If you're looking for a powerful planer for medium to heavy-duty projects, the WEN 6534 offers excellent value. At number 2, we have the BOSCH PL2632K 3 1/4 inch 6.5 amp hand planer. This corded model is priced at $137.15 and delivers premium features for professionals and dedicated woodworking enthusiasts. With a 6.5 amp motor and a cutting depth of 2.6 millimeters, this planer offers fast stock removal and a smooth finish on both soft and hard woods. The precision machined aluminum front and rear shoes ensure accuracy and consistent results. The design is ergonomic and lightweight at 6.3 pounds, making it comfortable to use for long periods. BOSCH has added several safety features, including an ambidextrous lock-off release button to prevent accidental starts and a spring-loaded stand to protect the blade and resting surface. The included carrying case and dual-mount guide fence add to the planer's value and versatility. In terms of performance, the BOSCH PL2632K excels in both precision and reliability. The chamfering groove in the front shoe is perfect for creating clean edges, while the plastic overshoe prevents marring on delicate materials. The only drawbacks are its higher price and corded design, which might limit portability. That said, if precision and durability are top priorities, the BOSCH PL2632K is a fantastic investment for serious woodworkers. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the DeWalt 20V Max Planer, DCP 580B. Priced at $198.57, this cordless model is the premium option for professional woodworkers who demand power, precision, and convenience. Its brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance and runtime, while delivering 30,000 cuts per minute for rapid material removal. The calibrated depth adjustment knob allows for micro-adjustments as fine as 1/256 inches, giving you unparalleled control. The design is sleek and ergonomic, with precision-machined aluminum shoes for parallel cuts and durability. Weighing 7.4 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and robustness. The kickstand prevents damage to your work surface, and the Poly V drive belt enhances belt durability for long-term use. As a cordless tool, it requires a 20V lithium-ion battery, which is sold separately, but provides unmatched portability. Performance-wise, the DeWalt DCP 580B is a powerhouse. Whether you're chamfering edges, smoothing surfaces, or tackling demanding woodworking projects, this planer delivers consistent, professional-grade results. The only downside is its premium pricing and the need to purchase batteries separately. However, for those who prioritize precision, portability, and reliability, this is the ultimate electric hand planer on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you narrow down your choices for the best electric hand planer to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.